the main word that popped into my head was growth, right? I mean, really, if people are going to be buying this top tier solution, um, and in my experience, they're the people who want to grow, right? They're the people who people over here, there are a lot of people who they won't ever want anything besides maybe basic compliance because they're fine with the way their business is, they're fine with the way their lifestyle is, they're making the kind of money they want, everything's dandy, they just don't want to get in trouble, right? B and C we're getting really into elements of like, how do we help somebody grow, right? And so B, with the visibility into how the company's doing, helping them make informed decisions. And C is really just like kind of a more hands-on aspect of doing this, right? Mostly because we're meeting with them on a more frequent basis. And forecasting the cash flow, there's elements of peace of mind built into all three of these as well. So this would kind of be like, adding to what you have here. So Scott, I asked this and I brought this up because, so if in our basic package, most of the time we're selling peace of mind. In our package, in our middle tier package, we're selling a little more visibility into how the company's doing, which allows us to make more informed decisions. In this top package, we're really selling, a big part of what we're selling in the top package, guys, is access to us, right? And the level to which that we're going to advise them, which 12 times a year versus 4 times a year, where we meet with them to go over everything and walk them through their financials. That is a big value differential there. So Scott, what I would say here is, and like breaking it out into, I would say that I think your packages should probably be customized based on each individual client, right? And what they need and what they tell you that they need. And to your point, I do think that you can group some of the more detailed items, right? And I gave you guys the story, about how whenever, Shanita and I started, selling something and I had the big spreadsheet with all the detail broken out, it didn't work, right? So I had to I had to simplify it. I still had that more detailed spreadsheet to click over to explain things more in depth when people ask me questions, but hitting them with the high level overview really worked kind of well. So for this, you might just say like financial reports, payroll, AP, quarterly meetings, like that. That's all pretty self-explanatory. Class tracking, custom reporting. Like we said, this is kind of accounting language. Like what you might call these things is going to be based on what the client tells you, right? And what their real problems are. In this gentleman's case, 10 different revenue streams. I mean, somebody's time is being used inefficiently in his organization with 10 different revenue streams in a $3 million a year business. That's just, it's got to be that way.